This is how to choose essential oils for stress and anxiety. So the type of oils that I would recommend using if you are feeling really stressful, really anxious, of course, I like to go to lavender, having some sort of orange, having some sort of eucalyptus. There's some basil in here as well, and then grapefruit. Again, all of those different sort of scents kind of help to kind of bring our senses down, relax our energy, relax our breath. Looking for essential oils, it's important to just look out to see, okay, is it 100% essential oil in here? What other sort of additives have they placed in here? And then also it's kind of seeing, what is your senses telling you? What is your intuition telling you that you need? I want us to be educated in when we're choosing our oils, but also empowered by, okay, well this is kind of making me feel really calm. Then trust that. What's our gut telling us? Is our gut complicated? Or some things in there that we're not able to really trust our own intuition fully? Then get some ginger. Put a little dab here on the inside of your wrist, behind your neck, put it maybe underneath your nostrils and see what happens.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.